I want to start by welcoming all party officers to this very important meeting of the National Executive Committee of our great party, the African Democratic Congress. And at the same time, we welcome our various partners that are here, partners from civil society and community-based organizations. And at the same time, we welcome the gentlemen of the press. There is no doubt that our country, Nigeria, is at a crossroad. We have watched over the years how things have gradually deteriorated to the extent that normal existence is becoming more and more difficult. Statistics have indicated that about 5 million Nigerians have been added to the list of poverty-stricken people in the world on an annual basis. Now, this is sad for a country that is richly endowed with enormous resources. There cannot be any other way to bring about change in the life of our people that is better than providing good governance. And this governance can only happen when you have the right people playing their part in the political process. ADC has, over the years, remained a formidable platform in the process of re-engineering Nigeria. Within the past 20 years of our existence, we have shown commitment to national growth. We have exhibited the highest level of nationalism and patriotism. And we have made several sacrifices to ensure that we bequeath for our next generation a country better than the one we have met. Unfortunately, the party never had the opportunity to be in the driver's seat. But things are changing, and we see the opportunity showing its face now. The journey that created this opportunity started a very long time ago. And we have had several meetings as a party in order to open up the party, re-engineer our processes, and be able to accommodate the teeming members of the political class that are willing and have lined up to join our great party, the African Democratic Congress. Within these months that we're discussing, the party has gone through lots of transformational phases, part of which has resulted in what we are going to actualize today, which is the final phase of the opening up of our party to accommodate the new people that are coming in. We know that politicians on their own can do very little. And as such, in this process and this journey, we have also involved the civil society organizations as well as grassroots organizations. Because ADC strongly believe that all politics is grassroots politics. And we are happy that most of our grassroots and civil society partners are here with us, and they've been part of this journey, and they have exhibited great commitment and resilience over the months, and that has certainly reassured us that the objective is very much achievable. We are building consensus. This consensus building, though very painstaking, has taken some time in the pipeline. I can categorically today, by the grace of God, inform you that the African Democratic Congress is the coalition party in Nigeria. What remains to be done is nothing other than dotting the I's and crossing the T's. For us, this is a momentous occasion. This is a great opportunity for the party to evolve and accommodate all Nigerians. And by this gesture, we are inviting every Nigerian that has the love of this country in their heart to join us in this new crusade to bring about an enduring democratic change in our country by coming into our party, the African Democratic Congress, which can easily be seen as the African Democratic Coalition. We will continue to remain committed to seeing to the development of our great nation, Nigeria, as a unified and indivisible country where every citizen has the right to live in every part of this country and pursue legitimate economic business. We also want to see a nation that will continue to provide opportunities for our people to grow and to prosper in peace and in harmony. And this has remained the hallmark of our party. As we go through this, I want to thank every member of the National Working Committee present here. We want to also thank the millions of other party followers and faithfuls that are not here, that are scattered in every nook and cranny of our great country, Nigeria. And as I thank you, I congratulate you, and I call you to join us and work towards the success of this coalition that will bring about a new beginning for this country in the year 2027. I thank you all.